डिसइंफेक्ट कर सकते हो. मेरे को बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. It actually works and it's so good. Hey yo, came cho guys. Welcome back to my channel. You know, I was a person who didn't really believe in online shopping because I thought कोई चीज़ लेने के पहले उसे देख लेना और समझ लेना बेटर होता है. But धीरे धीरे I developed this belief in online shopping and I started shopping clothes, jewelry, organizing stuff, home decor, and yeah. So lately I started shopping on Amazon. मुझे पहले ऐसा लगता था कि Amazon पे क्या ही मिलेगा, क्या ही मिल सकता है. But I realized that Amazon पे काफ़ी कुछ मिल सकता है. Like literally सब कुछ मिल सकता है. So Amazon must-have videos are a thing right now, and I thought why not give it a shot. So here are my top picks from Amazon must-haves. Some of the products are really game-changing. Also, all the product links will be mentioned below, which I'll be talking about, just in case you all are interested to get your hands on them. So let's get the video started. The first thing that I got was these spray bottles, and I got this in a set of 2. So they are easily refillable, and as you all know, in this times it's so important to disinfect everything before you use it. अभी जैसे ये सारे parcels जो मंगाए हैं, ये सारे इसी से disinfect हो रहे हैं because it's important, right? ये आप ले सकते हो और disinfect कर सकते हो. मेरे को बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. The next bunch of few items are keychains, and the first one is this remote shutter. This is very handy and you can connect it to your Android phone or iPhone and just easily click pictures. And I think I got it for 188, which is quite affordable, and I can show you guys how to do it. So you just connect it with your Bluetooth. So I'm not using my hands. I'll just click it. So yeah, this is so easy. ये काफ़ी आप मतलब अपने फ़ोन को ट्राइपॉड पे रख सकते हो दूर से, and you just connect this and like pose, click, and this is how I'm actually taking my self portraits at home. It has this holding thing, so you can just add a keychain, so it's so easy to carry. Another keychain that I have is this pepper spray keychain. So as you all know what pepper spray is used for, so it has a child safety thing also. It is locked right now. You just push this and it opens and it sprays, so kids don't just mess with it. And please be cautious with this product because it actually works. And yeah, please buy this product for your safety. And it has this keychain, so you can just tie it with your bunch of keys that you go anywhere and everywhere, or your bag or your sling or your wallet, anywhere. So even on your pocket, in jeans pocket. So yeah, this is a must have. The next keychain is this alarm keychain. I got this for I guess 449. How this works is ये जैसे हम pull करते हैं वैसे ही siren बजता है. I'll show you guys. So if you guys are wearing earphones, so bear with it. So just pull this, and so that is how it works. So this is also for safety reasons, I think, which is a must-have. If you're alone, you just pull this out, and people around you will get cautious and look after you or somehow help you if you are in a trouble. I wish no one gets in a trouble to use these products, but if you do, I think these 2 products are really a must have, and I highly recommend these 2 keychains, which every girl and guy should have for them, with them. So yeah, now the next product that I bought was this glue gun. I got it for 314 I guess, and it came with 5 glue sticks. It's really easy to use, and you must have seen the usage of this. It is really used for DIY, sticking, and many reasons. I didn't have it and I wanted to get my hands on it, so yeah, I bought it. I am quite excited to use this for some DIYs and much more. You also have to be cautious with this thing because it gets hot, so you might burn yourself, so be next product is my favorite, and it is this mini refillable perfume bottle, and it is so small and cute, and it is really very travel friendly. Travel friendly, come on, remember travel friendly. It is actually for traveling because ये हमारी लड़कियों के पर्स में कितना आसानी से फिट हो जाएगा because it's so small. It can fit in pockets anywhere. So it has this diffuser. So I'll show you how you guys do it. You remove the cap of the perfume's bottle and you just put this on it and you use it. It will start filling inside and yeah, that's how it works. Oops. Yeah, I would recommend you guys to keep this perfume bottle like this if you are keeping at home or in your purses or in your pocket. तो उल्टा रखो because I'm not sure, but I think the perfume might spill. I'm not sure. जहाँ तक मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है थोड़ा बहुत perfume might spill from here. So yeah, but I think this is a must have if you are traveling and going anywhere, going to party or anywhere. So this is very easy and handy to use. The next product that I bought was this mini fabric steamer, and it comes with this brush. So you just open this, fill in the water, and as soon as the water starts boiling you can use it. The steam will come out. I think it's really very handy and easy to use. You just hang that particular outfit or clothes on the hanger and just use it. So and it's so travel friendly. ये आपके बैग में आसानी से फिट भी हो जाएगा. And I think yeah, because ironing is too boring, I think I would recommend this product. And I got it for I guess 1200 on Amazon. And yeah, before using this product, do read the instructions given by the brand. Yeah, that's it. I think I love this product. Just cool feeling. Another mini product that I bought was this blender. So this is a mini blender that works on battery, and I think this is the product that I'm gonna use the most in this lockdown because रात को जब कुछ पीने का मन होता है, so you just make your own drink with this. I think the only drawback of this product is that you have to press and hold the button, and then that's how it works. I think मैंने सारी चीज़ें ये खरीदी है जो travel friendly है and which are very easy to use. So yeah, I mean this is one of them, and instant drinks and your cravings will be fulfilled. Next product that I purchased was this trolley organizer with wheels. So the plus point of this product is that it is with wheels. First of all, it is a multi-purpose use. You can use it wherever you want, in your bathroom, in your kitchen, in your anywhere, just in your bedroom, anywhere, to just organize and nicely keep the products in a place. And I think it doesn't even take too much of place. It is really nice and compact and can store a lot of your products. And I think my mom is really very happy with this product. And when I was purchasing this product, it was written that it was of plastic. So I was expecting it would be a very cheap quality plastic, जो होता है ना सस्ता सा. But I think quality of the plastic is really good, and it comes in parts. So you have to actually fix the product. Wheels fix करने हैं, everything you just have to fix the product because it will come in all parts. So yeah, now the last product that I'm gonna show is this pillow cover. So this is a satin silk pillow cover, and I have read about a silk satin pillow cover that it is really good for your skin, for your hair. So I just bought it, and it came in a set of 2 for I guess 350 to 349 to be precise. So I think it's a really good product and it's so good. If you are concerned for your hair and your skin, I think this product is a must have, and I think there were many color options also. I just bought a black one because I thought black goes with my room. So yeah, so these were my top picks of Amazon must haves. If you found any of them useful, you can buy them through the links I mentioned below. And no, it is not a promotional video. These are my choices of what I've bought, but I hope it was a promotional video. Amazon, we can do some deals together. If you enjoyed my video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. See you guys in my next video. I love you.